The keto diet is an extremely low-carb, high-fat diet. Do you know about the foods that you need to avoid in keto? Hey viewers, welcome to Fitnify, where we inspire you to live a healthy lifestyle. The goal is to achieve a metabolic state of ketosis, in which your body burns mostly fat instead of carbs for energy. The structure of carb molecules is simple, making them easy for your body to break down. Here are 16 foods to avoid or limit on the keto diet. But before that, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification, so that you don't miss any of our videos. 1. Bread, pasta, rice, and other refined carbs. Eating refined high-carb foods like white bread, pasta, rice, and pastries could prevent a ketogenic state if you end up getting more than your daily carb allowance. 2. Beer. Beer, liqueurs, and mixed liquor-based drinks have a high carb and low nutrient count, which makes them foods to avoid on a keto diet. Lower carb drinks like dry red or white wine or hard liquor will be your best bet if you want to imbibe a drink, as these provide around 5 grams of carbs or less per standard serving. 3. Honey and syrups. Honey and syrups like agave or maple are concentrated sugar. They contain little else and can easily increase your daily carb count, without otherwise providing significant nutrition. 4. Juice. While boasting more vitamins and minerals than honey and syrups, juice is still high in naturally occurring sugar. It also lacks dietary fiber. This is problematic, as fiber is needed for proper digestion and can be tricky to get enough of on the keto diet. 5. Sugary sodas. Sodas are essentially bubbly sugar water that provides zero nutrition in a high carb count. If water won't cut it, you can enjoy a sugar-free soda without being knocked out of keto. 6. Ketchup and other condiments. Ketchup, barbecue sauce, and sweet chili sauce are a few examples of sugar-packed condiments that don't provide much in terms of nutrients or fiber. While some of these aren't as high in carbs as other foods on this list, it's easy to eat a lot of them. Eating more than small portion sizes could quickly make them non-keto friendly. 7. Fresh fruits like mangoes, bananas. Fruits like mangoes, bananas, and grapes are naturally higher in carbs. While delicious and nutrient-dense, they could keep you from reaching or maintaining ketosis. If you're still craving more fruit, reach for raspberries, strawberries, starfruit, unsweetened acai puree, or coconut, as these are lower in carbs. 8. Beans and other legumes. Legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas may be challenging to incorporate into your keto diet. Green beans and black soybeans are the lowest in carbs. Try pan-frying them to use sparingly as crunchy toppings on keto-friendly salads or bowls. Processed legumes could fit into your keto diet in modest portions, too. 9. Quinoa and other grains. While loaded in nutrients, grains like quinoa and millet are too high to become a staple in your keto diet. 10. Chocolate. Dark chocolate with a cacao content of at least 70% can be part of your keto diet in small amounts. Meanwhile, milk and white chocolates aren't keto-friendly, given their added sugar content. 11. Low-fat margarine. Light or low-fat margarine is a staple in some weight loss diets. While it's low-carb, it skimps on the fat, your main source of fuel on the keto diet. Because you need more fat to reach and maintain a ketogenic state, reach for unsalted butter or moderate servings of regular margarine instead. 12. Dried fruit. When fruit is dried, its sugar is concentrated into smaller serving sizes. While dates are nutritional powerhouses, they concentrate too much sugar to reasonably be part of a keto diet. These are often blended into trail mix, which also often includes chocolate chips, candies, or sugar-coated nuts. This is another food to avoid, as it can easily put you over your carb allotment for the day. 13. Low-fat diet foods. Foods marketed as low-fat tend to be higher in sugar to compensate for the lack of fat. Therefore, it's a good idea to watch out for these items. 14. Potatoes and other starchy vegetables. While good sources of vitamin C, potassium, and dietary fiber, white and sweet potatoes ought to be avoided on the keto diet because of their high carb content. 15. Sweetened yogurt. Natural yogurt and dairy products can vary in their carb content. When adding dairy to your diet, steer clear of flavored or sweetened varieties, which will add to your carb count. This is especially common in flavored yogurt and cottage cheese. The keto diet is high in fat, moderate in protein, and very low in carbs. It aims to put your body in a ketogenic state, in which fat is used as fuel instead of carbs. While you're the expert on how your own mind and body feel, keep in mind that there are no long-term studies on the health effects of a keto diet. Stay tuned to Fitnify for more health and fitness information videos. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.